Welcome to another Temburi Help video. This episode will demonstrate the data onboarding tool within the Temburi system. The data onboarding tool helps new users automatically recreate their existing patent ecosystem within Temburi with minimal effort, helping ease the transition to Temburi. We're assuming you've logged into the Temburi platform, so let's select the Onboarding tab in the left menu. On the Onboarding tab, you'll notice a notification icon, which is at the top of every screen. This will keep you informed of processes completed by Temburi. There are no current notifications at this time, but Temburi will notify you when applications and associated documentation have been onboarded and ready for your review. We'll see this later in the process. Next, ensure the company and division for which you wish to onboard data are selected in the top right menu. It's important to note that you must onboard the data for each company-division combination individually, as each company and division's data is segregated within Temburi. The data onboarding is initiated by downloading a blank Excel spreadsheet by selecting the Download Sample File button. The blank Excel spreadsheet will be downloaded to the local download file on your PC. Now we'll switch to the blank spreadsheet that shows the fields in the spreadsheet. The first 4 columns are required fields for each application. The remaining fields are valuable but not essential at this time, thus they are optional. The last 2 optional fields are used to capture unique identifiers you may have for this application in your system or your client's system. The gray row is a sample row to guide you. It will not be processed. An unlimited number of applications can be added as rows for the selected company and division. Here we've added 1 application in the spreadsheet and saved the file to demonstrate the ease of the onboarding process. Now we'll return to the onboarding UI to upload the Excel file we created. We'll select the Choose File button to open the file selection window, where we'll navigate to the Excel spreadsheet we just populated. Then we'll select the Upload button to upload the list of applications into the Temburi system. And we can see the system recognizes that we're onboarding 1 application and its associated documentation. That's all you have to do for now. Just sit back and wait. We'll do all the work. Now, this isn't something you get to see as a user, but we wanted to demonstrate the power of Temburi, so here's a sneak peek. Behind the scenes, Temburi automatically interacts with the Patent and Trademark Office website using the new MyPTO login process initiated in 2018, and automates retrieval and downloading of documents associated with the applications listed in the Excel spreadsheet we uploaded earlier. Temburi downloads filing documents such as information disclosure statements, and we use machine learning tools and techniques to read these documents, creating the data content and also the vital relationships between the data that make Temburi valuable and powerful. Yep, you watch that happen in real time. In the time it takes me to explain it, we automatically onboarded 1 application. Now, we'll return to the UI to review the onboarded information. A few minutes after uploading the list of applications, you'll start receiving notifications in the notification icon as each document is processed and ready for your review. You'll see here we have 6 information disclosure statements to review that were pulled automatically from the PTO site and ingested into Temburi. Selecting a document from the Notification Center, we can review and edit the content if necessary. The Edit page has the information submitted for the application at the top of the page, and the data read from the PTO document below. The Download IDS file button will provide a PDF of the IDS form you submitted to the PTO, and you can compare side by side with the representation of the data on this page. Any discrepancies can be edited. Additionally, in processing information disclosure statements and onboarding the associated references, you'll need to upload PDFs for any foreign references or non-patent literature you've previously filed to have a complete reference within Temburi that you can use in future filings. You will likely have these PDFs handy as you needed to upload them to the PTO as well when you filed the information disclosure statement originally. At any time, you can select the Save button to incrementally save the changes made thus far. You can return to edit at a later time to continue your review by selecting the document again from the notification icon at the top of the page. When you have finished reviewing and editing the document content, you can select the Save and Finish button. This will save any changes, validate all required fields are complete, and move the newly created application, document, and references to the live areas of Temburi. The new application will be available in the Application tab. Added references will be available in the Reference tab, and the Information Disclosure Statement will be listed in the Task tab. Most importantly, the interconnectivity between the application information disclosure statement and the list of references is automatically captured and maintained in the Temburi data structure. Saving and finishing a document also removes the notification from the notification list at the top of the screen. Repeat this process for each onboarding notification in the notification list until your notification list is empty. That's it. Now you've successfully onboarded with Temburi. Thanks for watching, and thank you for using Temburi.